Okay, so your first practice problem, you should be able to do this one on your own. We are rotating 180 degrees, always about the origin. That's the only way we know how to rotate right now. First, you're going to start by recording your ordered pairs. So we have -1, -3. F is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. G is at 1, 1. And H is at 0, 1. Going to record my quadrants now. Everything's negative. Okay, so 180 degrees, my x's and y's are going to become their opposite. So these are now positive. This is negative, 0 stays the same. These are negative, and 0 stays the same, 1 is negative. Now let's see where this shape moves. If you notice, this shape is in all 4 quadrants. So I'm wondering what it's going to look like once it is turned. Like it's probably going to overlap on itself. But let me undo that so it's not sloppy. Okay, so 1, 3, -4, 0, -1, -1, and 0, -1. So connect in alphabet, oh wait, that's H prime. Connect in alphabetical order. So E to F, F to G, G to H, and H to E to close it. So it actually doesn't really overlap too much, just this little section right here, but you can see it's turned half a circle. So basically the shape is kind of now upside down. That's how you know you've done a 180-degree rotation. The shape should now be facing in the opposite direction and be upside down. So there's your first practice problem. Try another one.